Okay, you guys. So, hey, first, are y'all doing good out there? I'm doing good. So, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good week so far. I know I am. It's just a good night to just look cute. You know, sometimes you just have those nights where you're like, you know what, I just want to look comfortable. I don't care how I look. I just don't care. And then some nights you're like, you know what, this is one of them cute nights. Like, I just got to drop everything I'm doing, go ahead and get cute on these hoes real quick, and then shit, living my best life. Update on my hair, you guys. I've had it in for, I don't even know. Have I had my hair in for a week? All right, I had my hair in for a week. Oh, they still in there, whatever. I'm about to redo my edges because every time I wash my face, they just be and bubbling up, looking like taco meat. So we can't have that. I have a fresh face guide. I'm gonna start out with my edges. I always tell you guys about my edges go-to. But these are my two, so I really don't know what I want to use, but I'm probably just going to decide within the next like 3 seconds what I'm going to use. These two, Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, especially if you have that like really coarse hair and like those edges that just don't want to cooperate sometimes, and you just like, cooperate. And then of course I got to go with my Cream of Nature extra hold, because you know my hair, I told you guys I'm natural, so you already know. I'll use Cream of Nature on this side so you guys can see the difference, and then I'm going to use my normal go-to on this side, and then we can compare. Got my little edge brush. Okay, we're going in with the Cream of Nature. Just putting it right back into the braid, well, the dreadlock, and I'm just pushing it back. Push, 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 brush, brush, brush. So let me show you a couple of different methods, and by couple I literally mean two. Like, I have my normal method of putting it on the brush and then going in and making sure my edge is looking clean. Some people like to put the product right on their hair and then do the work. To each his own. But at the end, you already know, we're gonna tie it up, make it look good. And it literally works like wax, like it feels like wax. Look at that. Because it knew what kind of hair I had. It knew. When I made that purchase, it was only right. And I'm kind of looking like a gangster, but who cares? Argan oil. I'm not really too sure what to do with these either. Ultra Shimmering Illuminator Drops Magic Collection. I copped this from the beauty supply. I'm not even gonna lie, right? Oh my god, that was so much. That was way too much. And honestly, I'm not even sure if this is how this works. But I honestly just be throwing it on and praying. Praying. You know? That's what you gotta do. So right now I'm gonna be mixing. Yes, I am mixing Maybelline Fit Me with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow with a little bit of. Now, the only reason why I'm mixing is because I got the wrong shade. I'm normally at 355, but for some reason I picked up a 360. And it's a little bit browner than my complexion, but this is a little bit lighter than my complexion. So once I mix the two, these are two really good products. So once I mix the two, we lit. I'm just gonna put a little dot. So I'm gonna just dab this on the back of my hand because I feel like if I put it on my face, I may put too much. I just put a little bit right by each circle, just so I can like blend a little bit. There we go. Okay. See? Not too much. And then I get my foundation brush. There have been plenty of times where I did not get the right shade, and I'm like, why the fuck am I looking dead? Or why I look like a burnt crispy crisp? You know? You take LA Girl High Definition Matte Press Powder. I'm like, why not? You know, I'm new to makeup. I don't want to spend tons of diggity dough. So why should I? What flavor is this? Flavor. Warm honey and pure beige in LA Girl Pro concealer. And mixing it. So I'll like put some right here, then I'll just mix it. So I'm gonna show you. Squeeze it right out on there. And then I'm gonna mix it around.
Take us concealer brush.
Wow. Okay, so I am going to blur this. That's what this brush is called. And normally I don't know what every brush does, so whatever it says on the brush, that's what I try to use it for. I'm gonna take the same cream palette and get these browns going. Blend it out. Clean it up, Coco. Time to pocket on. Y'all already know I like to be extra. I'm going with this like really like royal blue. Rose water. I sprayed everywhere but my face. Got this little bronzer palette from e.l.f. Going in with this right here. A little bit of LA Girl Velvet blush. A blush stick. Oh, oh. Now I'm just gonna zhuzh up my lashes and
Oh, see me?
Rappuccino.
Chino in the background.
No matter how I put my eyelashes on, my eyelashes be looking different every single time. I really feel like it's my eyes. It's like the positioning of my eyes or something like that. Okay, let's take this off. So, this is my finished look.